Hello, I'm Reverend Karen Davis of First Christian Church. Do you ever remember when you were in grade school that maybe the teacher would have you write something over and over again? Maybe trying to practice your penmanship, learning cursive writing, and you'd write your name or a sentence in handwriting again and again. Or maybe it was a math problem that you had to do again and again. Hopefully it wasn't one of those things where you had to write something that you wouldn't do anymore, like talk in class or chew gum. I'm sure it was none of those things. But there's an idea that repetition, whether it's writing something or doing something repetitiously, that it causes that to stay with us, that soon we learn it and it becomes just a regular habit, a regular way of doing things. So this week, as we are reflecting on John's Gospel, chapter 21, verses 1 through 19, we find where Jesus asked the same question, not once, not twice, but 3 times. He asked the question, "Do you love me?" And by the 3rd time, Peter gets just a little annoyed. "Lord, I said, yes, I do." Well, Jesus wants to drive home that point, that if we do indeed love him, then it will show in what we say and what we do, that we will care for the people around us, that we will meet the needs of those who need our help and our compassion, that we will care for the least of these. We will demonstrate our love for Christ and how we love one another. So I invite you this week to imagine if Christ were speaking to you right now and asking you, not once, not twice, but 3 times, "Do you love me?" How would you answer that question each time? What would come to mind of ways in which you have demonstrated that with your words and with your life? Have you been generous of your time and talents? Have you been compassionate? Have you shown mercy and grace? Have you spent time in prayer and reflection? How have you strengthened your relationship with God? What have you done to show that indeed you love God with your heart, your soul, and your mind? I invite you to spend more time this week reflecting on that and then going out into the world and demonstrating that, yes, you do love God and God's people. Go out there and show that love, demonstrate it through your compassion and kindness. May the world know of God's love because of you. May God continue to encourage you and equip you as you go forth, sharing love, joy, compassion, and kindness.